Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channels. Today, I will be talking about supply chain management, elements and the goal. After you finish this video, you should be able to describe supply chain management and what is included. Identify the 4 essential elements of a supply chain. Explain the importance of information flow in supply chain management and discuss the important outcome of a supply chain management strategy. Okay, let's begin. Mary, she is a VP for the auto manufacturing firms and is responsible for supply chain management or SCM. Supply chain management involves the management and integrations of flow of goods, services, and information into the company to create the goods and services that will then flow out of the companies to its customers. But what exactly is the supply chain? A supply chain consists of all the activities relating to the flow of goods, services, and information that come into and out of a company from creations of goods and services through distributions to the end user. Let's look at a quick example here. The supply chain necessary for manufacturing a car is complex. A simple automobile supply chain may include procurement and transportations of raw materials and components to the company, producing the vehicle from raw materials and components, distributions of finished automobiles to retail dealerships, deliveries of automobiles from dealerships to consumer. All the supply chains consist of 4 essential elements that we can glean from our example above. These elements include: first, purchasing the resources necessary to make the company's goods and services. Second, productions of the goods and services from the resources acquired. Third, managing the inventory of materials necessary for products and the inventory of finished goods and services. Number 4 is transportations and distribution of the resources necessary for productions and distributions of goods and services to wholesaler, retailer, or through direct sales to customers. It is important to note that information flow are also critical to supply chain management. Information allowed Mary and her partners in the supply chain because information increase the visibility of the supply chain. For example, information about a shortage of a crucial raw materials down, and the change can allow Mary to seek alternatives to keep productions flowing. Likewise, a downward of an upward trend in sales from retailer will help manage inventory. If sales are increasing, Mary will know to keep more inventory on hand and speed up productions. On the other hand, if sales are decreasing, Mary will want to keep inventory level lower and even slow down productions. In this manner, Mary helps her companies to efficient with its resources while still keeping customers satisfied. Mary's job of managing the supply chains is important for strategic success of her company. Mary's goal in managing the supply include managing quality, satisfying customers, and maintaining competitiveness. Let's take a closer look at how managing supply chains can help achieving this goal. Managing the quality of your products requires ensuring that all inputs and processes used to produce the products are the first-rate quality. In other words, poor quality of sales, inefficient engine, substandard of electronics, components, and shoddy assembly lead to poor quality car. High quality steel, energy efficient engines, and quality electronics components leads to high quality car. Effectively and efficiently managing the supply chains also help to create satisfied customers. It helps to ensure quality products, as we already discussed. Moreover, carefully managing distributions and inventory level is also crucial. Mary knows that in today's world, customers simply don't want to wait for back order products. and we often go to the next available options. Managing the supply chains effectively means that customer will have a quality products where and when they want it. Finally, supply chain management help keep companies competitive. Managing the supply chains effectively means you not only create quality products that gets to customer when and where they want it, but it is done efficiently and cost effectively. In other words, SCM helps a company manage its bottom line through ensuring that its supplies are procured for the best price in the proper amount or the proper time. It also means keeping inventory at optimal level and utilizations of the most cost-effective transportations and distribution options available. Let's review what we have learned. Supply chain management is concerned with managing the flow of goods, services, and information into the company for production of finished goods and services, and the flow of the finished goods or services out of the business for the end user. A supply chain involves 4 general activities, including purchasing, production, inventory management, and transportation and distribution. Another important aspect of supply chain management is controlling the flow of information to make effective and efficient decisions. Effectively managing a company's supply chains help the company achieve strategic goal of quality management, customer satisfaction, and maintaining company competitiveness. That's the end of my sharing in today's video. Once again, my name is Vivienne, and I see you in my next video.